Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we welcome you to Barranca Este 31. This beautiful, traditional, and at the same time updated two-story villa possesses beautiful and breathtaking views, unparalleled privacy, and amazing features throughout the surrounding area. Located in the heart of the exclusive Casa de Campo, one of the most complete resorts in the Caribbean, with beautiful beaches, 4 golf courses, and exquisite restaurants, as well as spa centers, polo fields, marinas, and many, many more attractions. This amazing estate would easily become the perfect base for your getaway or full-time home for you and your family. This estate features 6 very spacious bedrooms, common areas, an amazing terrace, enormous swimming pool, and absolutely breathtaking views of the golf courses and the beautiful Caribbean Ocean. And not to mention tropical gardens that add a beautiful paradisal feeling. Barranca S31 is an absolutely ideal property for anyone wanting to unwind and enjoy a luxury lifestyle in the beautiful Caribbean oceans. And now, without any further ado, let us explore Barranca Este 31. The selling price for this home in USD is $3,500,000. In Jamaican dollars, $558,805,100. Canadian, $4,895,625. In euros, $3,018,400. And in British pounds, $2,641,211. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.